Roberto Moreno still staying in this fight in fourth place, Marty Reed.
Yeah,
take a look at this. Montoya trying to get up through the field, now makes his move on Tracy, and that brings Franchitti in contact with Tracy. Franchitti comes way down on the inside, a battle with Paul Tracy. Let's not forget last year. Here it is again. Franchitti and Tracy get together, second and third place, both in trouble.
A repeat,
but Franchitti is able to get it going again.
And I tell you, that was some great car control by Dario Franchitti. What he did is nearly impossible to keep the car going around the same arc of the corner. It was brilliant, but boy, I'm glad I'm not on the headset with Barry Green right now, Paul.
Oh, man, I was just thinking, I was about to say, don't forget Houston last year where the two of them got together. And
or
bam.
St. Louis last year, for that fact, on the first lap going into turns 3.
Here were the two of them battling.
You can see Dario is as low as he possibly can go, Paul. Paul Tracy tried to take him down to the inside. Dario held his ground. Paul started to squeeze him. And trust me, you can't get on those rumple strips without serious consequences. And unfortunately, they made contact. Paul Tracy making heavy contact with the outside wall.
Oh, but a nice bit of a save for Franchitti. Wow.
Now, you can see Dario moved up just a little bit, but when you're that low on the paint, the car will naturally wash up. He came up maybe a foot, but there just wasn't racing room to go through there side by side because Paul had left him no additional room.
You want to assign a fault there, Parker?
No, Paul, not at all.
Not to put you on the spot or anything.
Well, I tell you, it's one of those things. We saw it with Carpentier and Michael Andretti at Milwaukee. We've seen it in the past. We managed to see just earlier Greg Moore and Max Pappas get away with it, but as we see it, looks like Tracy just tried to stay as low as possible. Franchitti came up just